we be akwaba edeba attention TV system aye chugo our social media so months so and edeba some more our attention TV so on subscribe follow like comment and also share nim say na no meminda and post for ensa eka evangelist mama part court okopim court na your friend no patricio do asanya san your friend no alisa wo the reverend doctor evangelist na kan wan san na obeje wo so na endra okopim e wo court but ma court asanso adjoining the case na chese or pair more evidence at the account na chese in the court the case no on betimi edi papa ye ne so ya betete say social media so e possibly e dey free na ho ehi ho e bi so dey free ko for ho chi ma chese kamia ko say evangelist na part in the case ni dianka as a sabi nyanse bia enim fi se Ghana for na e pese me nkuminya obi abetena TV station so no so be chiska untimi free so nyane e ma magiska sa 10 million no o de tena so nyane ho e de bi store nko meto ade kakakakra ene Ghana for be celebrities be so ana be kasa so for binom so akasa ho and then yenya prophet Eric Antwi our that God's revelation ministry and on so I be train adwen e de afa evangelist mama part ni scamalet case ho na ene be bisa de say yehwa ye old Agradaa no ana asanso ababie mu fi say na be kaya asanso abetani TV no so echima tre say reverend doctor evangelist mama part na kamya kwete Ghana for ye nsuro di ne yesanso kura emudi no eno nti na Agradaa na no ojusu na Ghana for suro no sanso bunu ne de o sanko back akofa o sanso kura ema ho date enti ebisa say eye no a ana say evangelist mama part e yusu na adwen no de bi tika na fo bi no mo ebisa say na no memnenda fiada memnenda all night na yekopimo e wo Heavenland Way Champions International Ministry dia na Ghana for eko dodo asori dem okra ye mana abontin kra e overflow na chese mo ko diska scamalet ana account e gofo zo na so mi kra sa mo da so ti asori dem ho wonye ska ensa so ensa wo chinkomo we ana nende Reverend Prophet Eric Antwi e betwe komo me enko twa ye ho ye ba e den komo twetwe na abishis ye try ye ho ya ba for some I so a different evangelism apart in the court in and ne asanso e de be somewhat sensitive say ne prophet Eric Antwi and atna say be bisa we no sunsun bi tachiri and as we physical na adwen anodie buga na for papa ma kwa ba beje oso and the ba attention TV but that's it say bia e bo nyame adom na ye share evangelism apart e wadamfo e bo ha uka bi malo eba so se obebbo na chi so de obebbo na chi papa efutu so de a o kan bi e de man ne ne a okopie mu court na court refuse ni bail no then de ayi nyumu na no otwo ne nkrofo asere ne papa o chiri ma chira nyumu na no otwo ne ni awu ayi ni so no ana na wonto na and then the court semi ni yen sha sem free efitiase obetna today's TV so echemu say wo ye one night not the 1 week program asese so wo nya so member say fasting and prayers na oyi sika gu ho say sika nye famibra na beche double na ekowi ase nkofo ho ekokeka mu a ama posifo esa abem papa wo ho we say yo akosia we ase mami chia machidefo nyina wo ho mi ache she abrochirefo Ghana for ya me do bibi ase na papa me ho fa me nti be break akre na me ho nti apom yare ba nyame nchade me bre nsonye nti nyame asama me apanya biem se mani ate asefo ne wo mo nante koba me nyina ansa metra sesa bio na mami chia me am papa odifo amayo na mami chia na merita jehu akabwa the third international church na agozia mami chia God's celebration ministry manyina na mami chia Mr. Jekun ene me basame e wa brochire America me yare ye wanya me mu e form ho ne devoted ne omusika because yare ni bi one fasika nkan wa ntimi nsa these people donated very well. Still that people are donated. Matimi aba atiasifu. Two
me mama junior and so mama Chiano and I'm ya mama Helena mama junior and so te se me ano ntimi ntena ti nyame hia ne pa ene na koma pa ono so ewo na akosia mama Chia me am here queen yes make a lot of up and downs not me that cab no drive over bisia or drive with because we say up and down so we give the credit to her akosia Agradaa evangelist Odru Krante Patricia Michiano Reverend Doctor Odru Krante evangelist inti or the Reverend Doctor evangelist Odru Krante okay mama Michiano mama part mama Michiano agosia meka sane asem ne sane tie sana meka me mfa bi nka ho em se Ghana Christianity ama sabe ebi abodam Christianity ama bi abodam na mimblemu nipa ekoye ena mimblemu Agradaa me se me beka sana asem site bebi e se me fire Agradaa me fire no bebi e se me kan ye no me kan ye bebi enye no me kan sa se enye Christianity na ma bi abodam to the extent say minim sa so da bi am ye ba afode ye asoda bia mu ye ba afode ye okwa sofo apiche wie no o se pick and offer or seed na fa ba afode ye wasem na e ba so eno anya bone but the problem na wa hani so 1000 na uf tikin tampo na ya kachira wo se be ba afode ye wo ba ye se 1000 na ye ma wunim ne ye be ma then you go so low now the 1000 e call unyiri ya utiwi minyina be do say mentis aso da bia mko ba for the sama usika anja Agradaa eti e bia sa no person the ministry work no e de be build aso dan because we say nipa ho che won because time no by no oche be free no oche be free enti we say nipa ho che won ene ma me use sa strategy we ukọ so to police station Agradaa record that police station tan okita bad record e wo so to police station police for ebinim sabi ebinim omunim say ebi aba complain ma me we dupi me o share sika gari ase betua say na me ma sika gari the day awoyi na bosum ni gu na me wo ho na ma me bi su me pese me de camera picking no they rush me that time enokonene na sefo ni nyina ho omo rush me na omo je me phone omo delete whatever I have video it on it say enye no kra and name say where are those people one of the Agradaa they know say the man is scammer Nana Brown they know say I is scammer but when ade ba kon Ghana for ye suro kani so boa eme ekotwa obi boto asebe ekotwa obi boto a hu say uni peduem be femfem ya me ga ajaze so boa me ekotwa obi boto a sebe etiefe na da penifo bi tie me ko penifo tie me program pa me yare that way with the dignity people of friend which we say they love my program with nature no na yare baba big time
and we are the back of the
say me ba ya me ama me nkwa me tia se na se me ba I am coming big time why we be dwane o studio ya di dua na etumi dane owo a ye kan onwire ye kan onwire me baba ma na be dane owo life camera si so nye fake na ye hu se Ghana nature onyame aboade bebrenti ko nwiro ma nunku asa ukasa bebre ye nim haba e di butu adaye ni nyina no ma hemfu e di butu adaye a ukwa hemfia ne ho ye duru ni nyina di beba life in colored nyame ne se me hu se nipa ni je that product no me kire so eboa nipa enye me pe enyame ne de adom me enu na nipa bi asofo agimifo bi ka asema ko gina me masa ase so enti agosiade ye menye nipa ba ko asofo bi ka ho agimifo bi se makogina mafo mu e ma me ka se asofo nya adwuma na ati asase sofo nya adwuma nya krono se ye na Agradaa ye nya bia na abaye kodo wontimi ndo afa osika ne ma ho an betimi ado no mo ndo ma na nya aduani di na nya bi ma wa sore ma aga ebone But some of my friend colleagues, pastors, they gather to try to kill. What you say? Enti mi wo buwa ma ye kotwa wanzam me ka wanzam de abati ase. Wo koja wadamfo ma ne kotwa ne boto. E wo wanzam ha oni ma de ye friend wanzam. Wo mu twa tadua no. Aha ne ye friend wanzam. Bo se ni kotuku sem na ne na afuhye me friend wanzam. Ezi za obuwa ma wadamfo kotwa ne boto a wo wanzam ho a. Oni padua mu fimfim ye twesi kan na ara ho a ogiri. Si Ewurade. Sikan die madam fu bebre ye twawie ne ye bo ne kwala na okwa so baba ne na ntem so opefo akwo ano kire se wa akugya no wate yaw sankrofo no mudi Agradaa chi bigger question na pempe ma passe motorway na pempe ma passe motorway wodi Agradaa chi shekotu boje ne so omonim so ye kromfo they know because won mudi eche nim so menye scan bia den atafre. But if say now you see, I blame the pastors who come and ordain the woman.
Ghana pastor, a computer man.
I blame them. Computer man, my brother penny, but I blame them. Me so maker. I blame them. More anointing away, more ordaining away. But certain things you need to put barrier for the woman to know. Say me yard we are. Yemfa camera isusu me ya de we ya yenye ni sei me ye we ya hwe number 1 oye kronfo si Agradaa nso Agradaa no literacy, excuse me to use this word, literacy is killing the woman tin nipa hu for a bad woman. I go say make what I say, if I have knowledge about ministry worker sa dirty work na konye dey onye how say baba foro ba na ba foro ya asofu bebreye o ba na ba foro ya nyame beti nani ma hwe o aforo ba na e bi e bo 3000 2000 enti se o obi bo foro ne kan akoma se wa Agradaa chene 200 million na chene 100 million na on count.
Okay,
hey, a surprise. Excuse me, already over phone ye bi da o kwa so na bo so bo for se mache we ka mache we sika ni nyina ye mind game ebi wa be kom na ye wan ho nkrofo and it's kind of they use that strategy to pull crowd. O hwe billboard bi okroma e ma ho fe pa na da so. Do you know why? Company bia bebia no de ma ho fe pa no de akobia. Do you know why? Because omuni say member your weak point in ma. Do you know? Say member your weak point. Ayama nti o mepem ho fe no wan hihye jeans na ebia hihye ne ebe mo to ayi ti se agri kukube rounds no wan hepo ti member ni ho product no se na tibia oba nso de odinsato abeti na oyi anu adwan confuse obeto ade no enti se maami Agradaa ayo ba and you want to try to bring wose me fi akom na se oba na nye sugar coated a muwie mu nkyere ne se maami ye ade na wo ye no ye nye ne saa ye ni sei kromfo a wafi arobri ankasa odi tuo ni sikan na eko no wa baba bi a ye mfa tuo ni sikan na mu ye de bible na bokoro no wan kyere na astro be fi se odi tuo nti no se me bai no reverend doctor evangelist mama partner mompe emunye hu na mu Agradaa ne de na ni pesuru ampa ni fa besuru a Christopher ye ne yama nyame ye ne onyama tofom. We don't respect the kingdom business. See, I respect the kingdom business and we don't go this extent. Your friend will be Christianity apprentice. Agradaa when she Christianity apprentice. Ofina abosum dem ho kinken no buy sofo. Who train Agradaa? The pastor who ordained Agradaa or a garbage will produce bad product to the whole system. One training here. And so Agradaa who said, before you became evangelist, then you need to be trained Christianity apprentice. No, if you one now go two, if you two now go three. Who goes who go university straight? You learn from scratch. Then they have been taught to you. You say, exams is always exams.
Yeah.
But they won't say difference. They say we do form 1 the exams come.
Yeah.
We do form 2 the exams come. But they will teach you before they will bring the exams. They say BC in Kolakotri, they have been taught them. Into Omo come say already they are going to fight to go to SS. And you're different. But Agradaa no obi antini obi otimi epiti ano wa.
Man say Omo ka ho na. What it no.
What it in a way?
What it oh now or church.
Oh, computer man, where's why a mistake? Bra penny, where's why a mistake? So computer man kasa, ebia wan kasa ya. Ebia
oh menena.
One interview. So bra penny kasa dia wan kan yi. What it in a way?
O ka ho bi.
Eti bra penny say o kan no mo tete Agradaa. Me nyini because computer man know or the knowledge about ministry. Or need your ministry.
Manas say computer man ya asante no dey atete.
Which is not true. Computer man yaza, which is not true. Shadia, you can be trained, but you use your own character to go and finish your work. Why would you subai? Because we hear Juma Usia. Enti Agradaa no. O hia se be train. No be atimi gina so dem ka say. Yem pon na asofu nkuto na boba akostro. Literacy. Eye nimdie oni hu nimdie. It doesn't start from Christianity apprentice. Only it just jump to the ministry. What you say? And then our courses are damage we. Now let me come back to excuse me. One more free Tamale. Kumasi Sunyani Bani. Omo ye kwasiafo. They are fools. They are fools. Omo nyini from papa breso. When we see a class where they make a book, for ya returns. Because of you who say lot on one could channel Wendy. The person chance who could tell to Wendy, I won't do Sika. Heavyweight champion ministry. Oh, a bet.
Heavyweight
bet. I could try Wendy to want to know coffee. You say, Mammy, be coffee, Kunya de Kona, Kunyan, what you're eating the best which is also or cheap mind. Na maame Agradaa ye no afa bi maame no eye amamo a wan hutu ena de na koto saade ye asofo bi gisika sen maame Agradaa. I know some pastors who preach after the preaching they request about $10,000, $20,000, $50,000 and people stood up and go. And go we not say with my anointing God will bless you. With the power invested in me, I declare heavens to bless you. As of you can debia. You can debia. So that's here. You can debia. But what happens here? Agradaa kwako yebia.
Agradaa na we
because of it doesn't have wisdom or business in kingdom. No new idea. Tini di oye ni say. Obeba for ya. Or shall see free or see 1,000 up to coins. It is a mia. Me koche sika we. Sika no gba ni kwaso be to public. Sika na ngaso so koche ni kwaso be to public. Me koche sika yi me anadwo no onyame be na koa na koa so enyame. Nti sabri me ko adoye be koso. Nti wa hwe me fie chichi banchi bia wo be bia. Adoye no we dada.
Yeah.
Adoye be koso nti obi oba bia na yesre fa ho na gyegidie se me so mi bayi onyame be kasa kire me na so adoye ni bia sonson ti oba odi en se oba afode a onyame be hye won onyam nti wa afode bom na to ne wo mo frɛ 20,000 for mo ba na wo hwɛ 2,000 na wo hwɛ nti wo so na person ma na obo 2,200 million na de ama no but ma me ne too smart literacy esan kata so I say chance in unity. Smart ni ase no. Literacy na ebutu so no. Enti na de na ko wie sa. Because ni amami wa ye no. Asofo bia ye western than that. Asofo bia den. Western than akwa we na one. Sika oduru mama mfo nye no na wo free no.
So mo penom dom sika.
What dey say? Enti Ghana for ye ni nti. Ni ye nyai sa ye ti sika wo ha. Me da se abra no dimirika no ko buko ni ebu wi ya am be ka oti wichem ani ebu nu na dwi sha o yidi fudi pefo ye hu say Christianity no nanka Agradaa starting nyame adwuma akosia me starting nyame adwuma che if the people who have been trained from me nsem no me train on akwa bonti no so if they are doing ministry Agradaa in half of their level but because of strategy no de be she nyame adwuma mu no eni me yado ye me chesika obi mra meje no enu na nde awie ni si intermediate na make catch the whole public ni say aban alokino otimu odamu ofan kosia when they close the church whatever it is bia with the other side this is the way to talk to you you be kire no say you should go back and learn if you want to do the ministry work say ye no you shia yemfa ministry work into milita yen chesika wa so dem ube chesika wo ya so na face nyame akokoma say meni pa bi nko adwuma you see those they are needed then you give it to them and it will turn to blessing to the church.
In say Agradaa end the fasting and prayers and I went to.
Oh, baby, you saw her here. And I make us say, literacy also included. So, Anna, Seben Mabia or one name dear deeper. I blame his husband because what ministry working and you have the experience, so you need to be taught. But up to now, if you say we're any bad to you, say to the stand, they say, "May to the stand," and I be really see. But after all, Obana Akofaba, I saw Banyan Akofa the Bonnie about. You cannot kill. The only thing is you go and support to bring all the Akolani Befia, then you find ways and means to polish it. Now, Kolani people in Tisana or baby at Tintis, a bear man who answer say, "May you to me, choir or Babisia." Ghana, I send it to me, I Agradaa. Engineer, they should know how to handle it. Now what church no now my next time no one some call that situation but we are quite say on one dey na dwene obi MC kita micro timi koje enwumu nim to otimi kono no etubi wow he's ready to do the thing but he doesn't know
of a guitar no to no keyboard
thank you nti obi tu nwum cross na dey nti nwum to enkoyi kura nti nwum so baby na aye no do ko be kan be gina mon pipe which is all is wrong oh yeah education about ministry but me no family me blame no family me blame no because of those they lead her into the beginning no omo na dey na too deep beach omo na too amane mu do no omo dey chance ebutu no so chance no na obi a mokle woman no but so ke jana ke bia the you who so bad but the good will come out from the woman whereby next time no ebia eba be history say ma maybe by no e comfort but over fa Christo obe we about history book but in yachina in do you know what he has make another top star again the whole TV station was talking about it oh and when they pick him to the court no people are following give mama is shaking inside we give what do you say Inti nyame pese o kire Ghana for bibi upon is coming no people have done a huge scam than Agradaa so na mo akronfo kra na nam ho abadupu amanfo over billion na 1000 ya de o mo kire maame ne so be ya for body ya men ko chewuska na mo preach ni nyame kan akoma say mo biska ko adwuma you have the right to do say ne o ye na but say obi mbetua say no mo for this nya say ne de or the more be obi ntiase obi aba for the ni bi ntino obi efe chiraba but me I don't see any wrong about it one mo ko no mo greedy they go and make bets LND
heaven way bet shit international
yes international I'm go try bet
I would say for Prophet Eric Antwi and no action comedy fa evangelist am part of the photo we bring and they call evangelist am pass na ye ka say now so we she the nim say omo tuma no mutu Thursday obeya sorry e be obekopim
oh there be akosia o kan say won nim say want to man so ministry e dan na want to bet mama bet imagine ba bia sorry enti no e no dey enya wrong about it but so mutuma with the rules of this country no and abia ye pese ye twena so na wan san ai and could be but me no me won say they should open the building omumie
because so you
how best on be treat no asofo o man mu oh Ghana asofo so ye nya atwom ahoya we mu ma me ne oye nyina obi su tachi a open down for and onu so self reference literacy no eka onim ni left and right. Need and say because my economic kasa me say me ministry work. No, oni the skills to serve. Uncle for Christianity apprentice. Ne yen kire no. Na from be adwuma no. Na akoza de ba kono se ma me fan tudwa. Na asama so am sorry. Nyame aduma kwasi ada na me beda nyame ase. Na me tunza phobia. Okay. Everybody is welcome. Our Benjamin Mama Thanksgiving. We are giving Thanksgiving. Say me yare nyame mama sorry. Very hurty. Na agami jimi metna akra. Na nyame mama hodin. All the pastors are invited except those are hating me cry they should come.
They should come. Computer man is invited.
Oh, yeah. Me bra penny. Me want number.
I be do any Agradaa so.
Oh, that be me Agradaa chine. I don't see say yeah, my many problem or any problem.
Oh, try fasting cry or we no
any problem. Because the woman has made determination but you need education.
Okay.
You need education. Me invite me demo bia so bia me jam Thanksgiving kwasiada na enne nyame ase me yare e wo mama so.
Costo our God's Revelation Ministry at
7:30
AM
11:30 na yapon.
Se ufufu no betimi akọwo. Abusiafo ene ha anya demu bisi Attention TV. Keep subscribing, follow on Facebook, like, comment and also share. Yakra, yeah, that's